fear of managing a rental property while working abroad. So isa ito sa mga problema ng mga OFW, kapatid nating OFW, na hindi lang nila sinasabi. And we understand, kasi nga, they're protecting their hard-earned money. Kasi being in overseas, investing is not easy, become risky. So, problema sa paano makahanap ng tenant, the marketing, and then yung mga iba, mag-ghost pa sa mga tenant, and then meron pa dun, yung isa is the repairs, piling up. So, instead yung iniisip nila kung paano sila kikita, it becomes a headache for them instead of a gain. Now, si Crestmates does everything. Kasi nga, it's professionally managed and it is a hotel managed structure. So, ang cash flow mo, tuloy-tuloy, and then they will take good care of your property. So, stress-free while working abroad. So, if you feel na ito yung na-align sa plan mo for rental business, you can DM me and I'll show you how your money works for you while working abroad.